Hello, this is the first of 3 videos showing how I did exercise number 1, which is an exercise in Excel. Okay, so here we have the data for exercise number 1, and I'm supposed to do stuff to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is format these labels. So for dialog, what I'm supposed to do is apply the heading to style, but before I do that, I'm going to merge and center cells A1 through E1. So I'm going to select those cells and then merge and center them. Okay, and then now I'm going to apply heading to style. Okay, so now that I'm done with dialog, I'm going to format these labels, and what I'm supposed to format them as is right aligned and italic. Okay, so now we're done with the labels. Let's go on to the other thing, and it's averaging the depth and duration. And before I enter the formula in cells B9 and C9, first I'm going to enter the label average, and then format it as right align and italic. Now the formula for average is =, average, and then the data. So there you go, and then enter, and then I'm going to fill it over to cell C9 so that I don't have to type it again. Okay, so I don't want those decimals here, so what I'm going to do is add the round formula to the average formula, and it's going to look like this. So then comma here, and then 0 for 0 decimal places, and then enter, and then fill it over again to cell C9. Okay, so 2 dives were apparently not recorded here, so I'm going to copy them from the PDF, and it says here that I have to add them in a way so that dates remain in chronological order. So let's see, 5, 9, and 5, 12. So that means I have to insert rows above 5, 13 and 5, 10, or cells A5 and cells A7. So let me do that. And then the data. So 15, 45, 11, 15, 45, 11, and for 5, 12, 20, 40, 24, 29, 20, 40, 24, 9. Okay, so now I've added the dates in a way that they remain in chronological order. So now what I have to do is find a maximum and minimum, and like with average, before I enter the formulas, I'm going to enter the labels, and then yeah, okay, so I'm going to format them, and then here I'm going to enter the formula for maximum, and the formula for maximum is =, max, and then the data, and then enter, and then fill it over, and then for minimum it's basically the same thing, except that it's min instead of max. So data, enter, and then fill it over. So that's basically it for exercise number 1, and the last thing that I have to do is add my name in the header and the date in the footer. So